Hi everyone, it's Suyin here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great week. Today's video is going to be about Tiger Brokers, and I've been wanting to make this video for a while now, and yeah, I guess we're gonna get straight into it. Okay, so there is a story behind why I am choosing to use Tiger Brokers or to test out Tiger Brokers. But first, let me recap a little bit for those of you who may be new to the channel. I have explored foreign brokerage for investing in the US market, and I have this video right there that that summarizes that I chose TD Ameritrade, and I like TD Ameritrade because of its zero fee commissions, and it just takes a really long time though to open the account. And also another shortfall is it's limited only to the US market. Even though it's a really great brokerage, it still has some shortcomings. So that's where Tiger Brokers comes in. Now, the story is I was supposed to go to Tomorrowland Winter with my cousins and my sisters. That was in 2020 of March. So let me tell you a little bit about spending money. So because we're on this journey of building wealth, I found it very difficult to spend money, especially when it came to big ticket items. So this Tomorrowland winter trip is an epically huge ticket item, at least to me. And I guess on average, we were going to spend 8,000 to 10,000 just on tickets and accommodation alone for Tomorrowland Winter. Long story short, the event didn't happen, and we had to pursue getting our money refunded to us. It was a long, tedious, drawn-out process, and right now it's July of 2021, and we have finally gotten our money back from Tomorrowland Winter's associate companies. So that's another story. But the thing is, now I am sitting on around 70,000 ringgit in cash. And what my cousins and I and my sisters have decided to do is to invest this money so that we can have another epic trip whenever the pandemic is over and traveling is allowed once again. So, I think it's a really good thing. But at the same time, I wanted a brokerage that was fully separate from my personal investments. And because I am looking at investing collectively for the people that I really care about, it is very important for me to have it separate so that there is no difficulties in tracking, there's no complications, and also my investment strategy would be very different. So if left up to my own devices, I would actually invest in individual companies, but then again, because we don't really know the timeline of when we will be needing the money to travel, I'm going to invest in ETFs and a portfolio of ETFs. And I really like Tiger Brokers as the next best alternative because now I get access to the Hong Kong market, Singapore market, and also their commission per trade is very affordable, and also they're well backed by the traditional backers, which is very interesting. Interactive Brokers is part of it, Jim Rogers is part of it, and they also, most importantly, have really good promotions going on right now to encourage more people to use their brokerage. And I have to say it's super generous. I deposited money, 2,000 Sing dollars is what they are asking you to deposit for the first time. And when you do that, you are eligible for free shares. And in June, they gave 1 free Apple share, already very generous, and they also are giving 5 free Xiaomi shares. In July, it's a different story. I think it's only 1 free Apple share, which is already a lot. And I definitely jumped straight on it to claim that promotion. And on top of that, we also have commission-free trades, or a number of commission-free trades for 180 days. So that is the story, that is the gossip, and that is the context as to why I'm testing out another broker. So now I am going to walk you through how I signed up for Tiger Brokers, and I will eventually also show you how I transfer money into Tiger Brokers. Because they do not allow for third-party transfers, I use a bank to transfer overseas telegraphic transfer. And it's very simple, and it really surprised me because my money came into the account 4 hours later. For most brokerages, even TD Ameritrade, even if I did everything right, it will enter my account the next business day, or at least like 2 to 3 business days later. So this is impressive, and yeah, I just wanted to bring you through this journey. And if you are interested, there is a link down below that you can use to sign up for your Tiger Broker account. And yeah, so here we are on Tiger Securities. It's really odd when it comes to website names, and I can totally relate to this because I'm setting up a website and it's giving me a lot of stress because it is very nitty-gritty and it's a lot of design details and like fine details that you need to comb through. So that's why I noticed there's a name difference. But basically, here we are on the website and we're gonna register via email or via phone number. It's really up to you. Let's just register via email. Let's do that. And then email code. Send a code to your email and click to verify. Alright, I'm not a robot. And then we open up our email to retrieve the code. Okay, and then it says, dear customer, blah, 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 here's your security code. Alright, and then enter the email code. And our country region is Malaysia. Okay, so now we are 10% in of filling out. We are 10% in filling out the information, so just keep going. Malaysia, country of permanent residence. I'm also in Malaysia, tax residency, Malaysian tax residency, and then I would have to put my tax file number, which I really find it very useful to keep it handy on my notes on my phone. EPF number, company number, your what else? Your income tax number, EPF number. All of these information is really good to have at hand because if you're going to need to dig for it, it's going to take a very long time to access. And then you just need to check that I'm not a legal US resident or a green card holder because of tax purposes. Okay, so then we continue to fill out more information. Alright, okay, so using a different phone number helped. Let's see, your employment status. Everyone wants to know that you are employed so you can fund your brokerage account, and then they ask you more information which you will give to them. And I am in regulatory information that we need to check. Not related to any broker. Yes, this account holder or any is not a director. No. Account holder has never been investigated. Not currently planning or have been politically exposed. All of that. Okay, great. And then we're gonna select what kind of account we're going for. And as you know, your girl only deals with cash accounts. We don't do margin, not for me. But if you want to do options and futures trading, you need a margin account. So that's not me. I have stock investment experience. So it's been maybe 5 years of experience, and I'll do like 6 to 15 trades a year. I have pretty good knowledge. I wouldn't say I have extensive knowledge. And what is fund mall? I have no idea what a fund mall is. Let's not check that. Now you're gonna declare your assets, how much you have. They love to ask this question, right? Now we're on the customer account review page and car account. They're gonna ask us some investment experience. Have you transacted at least 6 trades in the following listed specified investment products? Exchange traded funds? Yes. And I've never done any of the others. Customer qualification, higher qualification, let's see. No, I don't have. Okay, yes, I do have business. And I went to the university of that. And I don't have any of that. Let's say work experience. Nope, nope, no. Alright, okay, so now we're on the agreements and disclosure pages. So go forth and read to your heart's content and then click yes, agree. Now I'll ask you to sign. And here's where you're uploading your ID card and okay, now you're gonna upload an address certification document and basically any phone bill, I guess. We have face verification. Okay, so for the face verification part, we need to continue on our application, so on our phones. So let's go ahead and do that. It gives us this QR code. The thing about Tiger brokers or any other foreign brokers, as a matter of fact, is that our Securities Commission is pretty upset with all of them because they are not here being regulated in Malaysia by the SC. And as a result of that, they have resorted to blocking a lot of the sites. So if you look very closely, TD Ameritrade is always down for some reason, and also Tiger Brokers as well. So there are ways to navigate this. And you can use your mobile data or you can use a VPN like I tend to use. And this helps solve the problem very quickly. Again, I don't think these companies are like the companies that will cheat your money. It's not like that. They are big. If you look into TD Ameritrade and if you look into Interactive Brokers, Tiger Brokers is relatively new, but I do see that they have solid backing, and that's why I am willing to put my money on the table and invest with them. So yeah, that's a pro tip for all of you out there who are having difficulty accessing the sites. Okay, and I guess that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. It's always great receiving comments from all of you. And I will see you in the next one. Take good care. Bye!